Namaskaram. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all fine, happy, healthy, and safe at your home. Dear students, welcome to all in this yoga and physical activity session. And today's session, yogic asana and pranayama. And we will do in this session first micro yogic practice and yogic asana and pranayama yogic abhyasa and some advanced yogic asana and its techniques. So let's come start our session. First, sit any meditative posture. We sit on Padmasana. First, extend the legs in front. Hold your right leg ankle and place your right foot on your root of left thigh, just like this, and hold your left leg ankle and place your left foot on your right thigh. It's called Padmasana. Padma means lotus, and lotus pose. And keep both hands in Jnana Mudra, back straight, normalize your breathing, shoulder relaxed, eyes closed. We will start our session with Gayatri Mantra. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and make a heel and place your palm on your eyes, your face muscle. Slowly open your eyes. Look at your palm with a gentle smile. Release the asana and normally fold your legs, just like. And today we will do micro yogic practice in sitting position. First, place both palms beside your thighs, back straight, and inhale, raise the arms from side upward and palms touching each other, and look up, look at your thumb, and exhale, bring down your both hands, and at the same time head down, touch your chin to the chest with exhalation. Inhale and make an arch on your thoracic spine. Exhale, head down, palm down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down, palm down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and next inhale one more round and interlock your fingers and turn your palm toward the sky, and with inhalation stretch upward, bicep touching to the earth, and look up, look at your fingers and stretch your arms upward. Inhalation and exhale, twist to left side, bend to left side and look up. Inhale center, exhale right, look up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, come slowly to the center and release the hands from side. Normalize your breathings. Bring both hands behind your back and interlock your fingers and turn your palm to outside, slide. And one more inhalation and exhale, bend forward, touch your forehead on the ground, extend the hands forward, extend and hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back. Next, arms up in line with the shoulder. And exhale, bend to left side, rest your forearm on the ground, your left forearm on the ground and your right hand over the head, and look up. Don't lift up your right thigh, your thigh deep on the floor. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, bend to right, rest your right forearm on the ground and your left arm over the head, left bicep touching to the ear and look up. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back. Normalize your breathings. And next, stretch the arms in front and clutch your fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for this rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And again place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together and go for shoulder movement. 1, bicep touching to the ear, elbows together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release the hands from side. And next, extend the legs in front. Come to Dandasana, the slide. And back straight. First Dandasana, back fully straight, kneecap lock and flex your toes and back fully straight and place both palms beside your thigh and look at your front, back fully straight and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Dandasana. Release. And next, stretch your both hands in front and bring your both hands behind your back from left side. First left side and place both palms behind your back and exhale, touch your forehead on the ground from left side and hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back and exhale, same opposite side, same with opposite side. Place both palms behind your back from right side and touch your forehead on the ground and hold here 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale, come back and next butterfly reach, toes together, feet together, and it's also known as Bhadrasana, Chalit Bhadrasana. First hold here, interlock your toes with fingers. And hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. And next, Chalita Bhadrasana. 1, 2. Up and down. Swing your legs up and down. Next, catch your left kneecap with your right hand and bring your left hand above the head and your left bicep touching to the ear and exhale, bend to right and look up. Inhale, come back. Same with the opposite side. Catch your right leg, kneecap with your left hand and raise your right arm above the head and your bicep touching to the ear and exhale, bend to left and look up. Inhale, come back, release. And next variation, raise the arms from side above the head, bicep touching to the ear and exhale, drop your both palm on the ground, rest your abdomen, inner edge of feet, just like that. See, and extend the hands forward, walk with your fingers forward and touch your forehead on the ground and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back. And release the left. And next, Vakrasana. Bend right knee and place your right foot closer to left knee and raise your left hand and place your right hand behind your back just like, and raise your left hand above the head and cross the leg with your left hand and incline your right knee and catch your left knee just like, and look back from right shoulder. Vakrasana. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly. Same with the opposite leg. Bend your left knee closer to right knee and place your left hand behind your back and raise your right hand up and cross the leg and bend the knee. Catch your right leg with your right hand and look back from left shoulder. Inhale, come slowly to the side. Release the legs. Vakrasana, very effective yogic asana for abdomen region. This yogic asana good for your pancreas and effect on your liver and your pancreas, and good for diabetic patient. Also reduce your belly fat and thigh fat. So include this yogic practice in your daily routine. So let's come for our next yogic practice, Nauka Chala Asana. Stretch your both hands in front, make a fist and go for Nauka Chala Asana. Exhale, bend forward and bring your both hands closer to your feet. Closer to your feet, you can see. Draw your hands like a boat. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Just like 10 round forward and 10 round reverse. And here go for reverse. Just like. let's come for our next yogic asana and Bhujangasana variation. Today we will practice Purna Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana also Bhujangasana advanced category yogic asana. So let's come to Dandasana. Bend your both knees and sit on Vajrasana first. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, drop your palms on the ground and extend your upper body forward. Come to prone position. And next, first place your left palm on the ground closer to your chin, and place your right palm closer to your chin and your left palm over to right palm. You can see, and rest your chin over the left palm, just like you can see. And inhale, lift your upper body, help with your both palm, press your palm towards the ground and drop your neck back. Push it down and lift it up. Look back. And exhale. One more round. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next, place both palms closer to the chest, and inhale, lift your upper body from navel region and drop your neck back. And hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. And exhale. And next, inhale, fully lift up and straight your elbows as much as you can. And drop your neck back. Just like that. And hold here 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale. And look back from left shoulder to right. Kriya Bhujangasana. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. And exhale, release. And next, Purna Bhujangasana. First, inhale, lift your upper body from navel region, lift up as much as you can lift up, and bend your knees and drop your neck back. Roll back your shoulders, roll back, and slightly bring your head towards your feet and try to touch as much as, don't give jerk on your waist, as much as you can, slow you can. Sasankas. Slide. And hold here for 5 to 10 seconds. Come back. And next, come to Dandasana and lay down on your back. Take legs on and lay down on your back. And next we will do Uttana Padasana. First, with your right leg, inhale, lift your right leg up and hold in 30-degree angle. And your legs should be straight, your kneecap lock, flex your toes and hold here for 20 to 25 seconds. Exhale, release. Same with the pose. Inhale, lift your left leg up in 30 degrees and hold. Exhale slowly. And next, with both legs. Inhale, lift your both legs in 30 degrees and hold for 20 to 25 seconds. Your kneecap lock, flex your toes. Exhale, release. And next, Padvratasana. Lift your right leg up again 90 degree and go for Padvratasana. Make a complete big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse 10, 9, make a complete big circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly. Same with the opposite leg. Lift your left leg up in 90 degrees. Again. And go for Padvratasana. Make a complete big circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And next, with both legs, go for Padmavatasa. Lift up in 90 degree and go for Padmavatasa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathing. And next, Chakrasana, advanced category asana. We will practice of Chakrasana. First, we will do in easy way Chakrasana in laying down position. First, bend your both knees and heels closer to your hip. You can see this. First, your heels, confirm your heels closer to your hips, and then place your both palms closer to your shoulder. And inhale, first lift your hip up. First hip off the ground and push your upper body, help with your both hands and lift up just like. First hold here, hold in this position, and if you can't able to do this practice, you can extend your legs in extend the legs forward just like you can see, just like, and hold. And slightly bring your legs closer to your hands and walk with your hands to forward as much as you can. You can walk with your finger to closer to your heels, just like, and touch your heels. And come back. Relax. Chakrasana, very effective yogic asana for your spine. This yogic asana make your spine more flexible and good for spinal disease and good for your hip muscles and your leg muscles and cervical spondylitis and any kind of back disease. Good for children. This yogic asana help to increase your height. And next variation of Chakrasana in advanced manner. Next, we will do Chakrasana in advanced way with standing position. First, come to top of the mat with legs together, feet together. Stand like erect. First, confirm you are not suffering any kind of back disease. And raise the arms from side up and fingers separate and move your pelvic forward. First inhale, move your pelvic forward. First you do with help with any kind of wall at your home. Take support with walls. Inhale, raise up, fingers separate and move your pelvic forward. Inhale, Ashta. And drop your hands on the ground. And first hold and slightly walk with your fingers. Come back and exhale, bend forward, come to Samkonasana and hold. And one more exhale, bend forward, rest your hands on the ground. Keep straight. Sit down, sit any meditative posture, and next we will do प्राणायाम यौगिक अभ्यास. प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे कमर व सीधी. नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह सामान्य. फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी. फर्स्ट सरल गति से. इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल. यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास. यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का. कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व. हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और जितने भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें. वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी. चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास. कुछ देर मौन रहे. श्वासों का प्रवाह समान. नेक्स्ट अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. मेक प्रणव मुद्रा with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left and exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणव उच्चारण होगा। ओम का अकार मकार उकार नाभि और कंठ से। दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखो। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे पर तेज तनाव को तेजी में आंखों को खोलते हुए मध्य मुस्कान के साथ। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।